Hello everyone, this is Sheshe, and today we are making the Butterfly Dreams card. It's a card in the card kit series. It looks like this right here, and it's a very simple card. So I've taken all the pieces out. If you need to see what's in the card kit, I'll link that video in the description box below, but it's very easy. In the instructions, it says to use Vibrant Fuchsia, which I do have in my stash. It also says to use the Garden Patina ink, which I also have in my stash. It says to use another ink that looks like a lime green, but I'm going to not use that ink because I just don't think my butterflies needs that. And in the picture, as you can see, I don't even see any lime green on the butterflies. There's no lime green at all that I can see. So I'm just going to not use the lime green. So I'm going to get started here and start inking of the edges. It says to ink the edges with the Vibrant Fuchsia. So I'm going to speed up the video and get started. We turn the card this way. It does say you can add some dimensional foam to pop up the panel if you want to. It's all up to you. But this is a very simple card, and there's just a lot of coloring, so I'm going to color my butterflies, so everything will just be a speed process. And then once I get to the portion where I'm putting everything together, I'll slow down the video. So enjoy. Okay, once that you've got everything inked, you just want to pop up your panel with some foam tape. So I'm just tearing off the back. And you just want to center that. You'll have it won't have a complete even border around it. You just want to get that centered as best as you can. I need to see where I'm putting this down. Okay, next you want to get your glue and glue down the strips and the doily pieces. So I'm going to get my glue. And what I'm going to do is just glue the doily pieces onto the strip right here, and this one right here. So I'm just going to glue this right here first. So I'm just going to take some glue and glue on this one, just like that. Even it up like so. So it looks like this. actually, this one's going to go this direction because the green butterfly goes at the top. So I'm going to turn it this way first. Or it's a turquoise butterfly. And then we're going to take this doily piece and glue this one. It's starting to move again. Just trying to press that down so it doesn't move. Okay. And we're going to glue it this direction. Okay, and so once everything is set and dry, you just lay it on your card like this. So that's what I'm going to do next. Just glue everything down. And that way you don't have to worry about tucking anything in. It's already done for you. Okay. Alright, so next what we want to do is do something with this butterfly, and we're going to get our scissors here and we're going to cut this one off because this butterfly is not going to extend all the way because there's a sentiment that goes in between, and you also need to trim your sentiment down to go across the card because the sentiment is too long, so you'll need to fit it in a way where this end matches up with the edge of this card. So what I'm going to do is shape the butterfly with my stylus, and I'll bring back my pad and do some shaping. This card really doesn't need a lot of shaping, but you just want to do a little bit of shaping to give it some dimension. So I'm just flipping it over and giving it some shaping. And this one right here, I'm going to shape it with the 12mm since the butterfly is kind of big. And also give these little pieces right here a little bit of shape with the 5mm. And then we'll also give the butterfly some curl so that there is some bend in the wings, like that. Same thing with this one. I'm going to bend the wings, and this one bends. Give it some shape. And I added a little bit more color to my butterflies. It just looked too plain to me. And then we'll add some glitter to the butterflies as well. Okay, so we're going to bring back our card. And this butterfly is going to go across the sentiment. So what I'm going to do is add the sentiment first, and this butterfly is going to tuck in somehow like this, And it's going to go down like that. So I'm going to give this some glue. And then we're going to put our sentiment right about here and going across there. So I'm going to give that some glue. So it says fluttering by with a birthday high. Press that down. May need a little bit more glue. Okay, and then we'll attach this butterfly right here, and it's going to somehow go across like this. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do, is add the butterfly. Just don't want to add too much glue. So it's going to come out like this. And then this one's going to go over here. All right, and so for the final touch, I'm going to add some glitter and also some stickles. So I'm just going to put some glue on my little foam piece. Okay, here's the finished card. It turned out so beautiful. Look at all that sparkly glitter. So I will include some pictures at the end. I was very surprised at this card. I really love how it turned out. Just add some additional color and that will make it turn out so much better. So take care everyone and have a fabulous day.